If you have been searching for a way to level up your content game without breaking the bank or lugging around a massive, complicated professional rig, you need to see this. We are looking at the 2026 edition of this ultra-compact 8K digital camera, and it is honestly shocking how much power is packed into such a portable body. Whether you are a budding vlogger, a travel enthusiast, or just someone who wants to capture life's best moments in stunning detail, this device is designed to make professional-looking photography and videography feel completely effortless. The first thing you'll notice is the incredible 88-megapixel sensor, which pulls in an insane amount of detail, making your photos look sharp, vibrant, and ready for social media straight out of the camera. What really sets this apart for creators is the dual lens system. You get the flexibility to switch between shooting modes, which is a total game changer for filming vlogs, selfies, or wide-angle landscapes without needing a bag full of extra gear. Plus, with the 16x digital zoom and the 6-axis anti-shake stabilization, you can finally capture those distant subjects or dynamic action shots without worrying about shaky, blurry footage. Everything about this camera is built for convenience. The 3.2-inch touchscreen makes navigating your settings and framing your shots as easy as using your smartphone. And the built-in Wi-Fi means you can instantly transfer your files to your phone to share your latest YouTube vlog or Instagram story in seconds. You even get a full kit right out of the box, including a lens hood, 2 long-lasting batteries, and a charging stand, so you never have to worry about running out of power in the middle of a shoot. If you are ready to stop making excuses and start creating high-quality content, this is the perfect, stress-free upgrade you have been waiting for. Click the link below for the best price, and start capturing your world in 8K today.